You might feel 22, but you're acting like you're fucking 15.
Alrighty, hello again. Seems if you have desktop capture on with the new version of Shadowplay, it prioritizes desktop capture over, software capture. So, whoops, you were able to see my frame counter up there, which, thankfully stays at 60. But even still, that's not important information to you because this game only runs at 30, and so does the video. Oh, shit. Alright. Now, fortunately, I believe the odds of running into falling a bitch are going to be reasonably low if we just avoid it. This is, informative. Yeah, map of the village is marked in 3 places, so we are certainly in the right house, but let's plan our route beforehand. Alright, Kiryu house. We go through the hanging doll room. We enter the tatami room hallway. And it's just in the tatami room. Man, I can't imagine finding the secret room and not knowing where it actually is. Because holy shit, that would be a pain in the ass. And are we using Type 7? Well, I'm not going to pull up my camera to find out. So we're just going to have to figure this out as we go. Hanging dolls. Hanging dolls. No interaction with this thing because there's hanging dolls. And I don't give a single flying single motherfucking. I am just gonna keep on running because I'm gay. What? I'm surprised at how many gay jokes I make sometimes. Especially since it's completely irrelevant to anything. Ah. Did I already screw it up? No, I didn't screw it up. I'm just stupid. Sliding screen room, maybe? Oh, I know where it is. Sorry, I'm stupid. Yeah, it's in the same room as the connecting corridor. So, unless we go through the Tachibana house, we have to go into the clock hall. Shit. Alright. I am a man. A man, man, man. I am a man. A manly, manly man. A man, man, man. I'm a manly man. I'm a man. And I am fucking scared as shit. Alright. I expect it. For it was said by Mermaid Man and Barnacle Boy, standing upon a tall roof in Bikini Bottom, rotating on their toes across the roof's edge. Keep alert, and always expect the unexpected. Fuck that, I'm just gonna scream. I'm done now. Alright. Now I'm a manly man. A man, man, man. Bucket. Okay. Also, I deeply apologize for that noise. Oh, shit. I missed it. Hold on, don't disappear yet. You... Well, that was informative. And I saw some shiny over here. There's a shiny around here. Motherfucker. Okay. Do I need to just be closer? What do you want? Something shows in the photo. Looks like the back of a Gordo whaler. They're all wearing kimonos. It's fashionable. Oh, there it is. Something on the floor. Type 14. Tasty. So that should replenish all the film I just wasted trying to get a picture of one freaking ghost. But you can pretty well suspect exactly what's about to happen now. Looks like part of the wall is meant to rotate. So let's rotate the wall. I don't remember hearing those little noises. I don't know if you can hear that. Now, okay. Right now, this is a trust exercise. Turn up your volume. I'm gonna stop talking for 3 seconds after I snap my finger. After 3 seconds, I'm gonna wait another second for you to turn down the volume. That way you can hear her little squeaking noises, okay? 3, 2, 1. Alright. There we go. So, something on the ground is... Okay. Congratulations, you got the Curio crest. Now let's leave! Oh no! The bleeding obvious just happened, and man, I need some more water. Oh, that's the doll. The soundtrack has decided to start farting. Alright, so the immediate threat is the doll. Wait, I hit the wrong button. No, I didn't. Alright. How much? No, not the 0. I really don't want to use anything more powerful than 14. Fuck a duck. I don't want to. So let's just try this. This is probably going to be the doll. Yeah, it's the doll, and I just wasted a fucking special. Get out of the damn... Well, she failed. Fucking derp. Okay, the real one is right in front. That was a very clear speech. No, it's not! Fucking dicks! Run! Asshole. Okay, the doll spoke from my left ear. My right ear. That's her! Her mouth open. And I just fucked up the fatal frame! Took half her health, though. I mean, damn. The doll does not open her mouth because she has no mouth to open. Damn it. I feel like it's behind me. Or right there. Do you have a mouth? Yes, you do! And I didn't have a special! Balls! Run! Damn it. Can't believe I messed that up. Let's just... Who cares? Just get the fatal frame. Actually, can we blast her? No, we can't even blast. We don't even have the blast! Oh. Alright. Question number 1. Do you have a mouth? No. Run. That's her. That's her. That's her. Get her! 1, 2. Screw you! And now we can leave. And the Kiryu house, for all intents and purposes, is done! We no longer have to cut 447 photos taken. Damn! Alrighty, we have all 4 crests. All we gotta do is leave. Through the clock hall. Fuck. May I have another staircase, please? I would love to have a staircase. I mean, staircases get a bad rap because of how many people just fall down them like a bunch of numpties. Never mind. Let's go back the way we came. Risk it for the chocolate biscuit. Oh, I fucking hate that ghost. Okay. I hereby do solemnly swear, if the fucking falling bitch shows up this time, I'm probably gonna scream. Actually, no, not even a guarantee. Totally legitimate reactions from me, and only legitimate reactions ever, because I refuse to have stage reactions aside from when we entered the Kiryu house, because I admittedly really overblew my entire overlook on that. So, fun fact, that was my attempt at overacting when we entered the Kiryu house. Slightly, although the sentiment was pretty genuine, just, I don't know, what am I talking about? Note to self, cut that out of the video, that way people don't suspect me to be a fraud. Alright. Anyway, cut the corner. Alright. Funny enough, the one thing that didn't happen was, the random twin sightings. Or the doll. Because sometimes you turn the corner and then there will just be a doll standing there and it makes you shit yourself. Never had that happen. So, wow. That's like a first. You heard it here first, folks. I'm the first Fatal Frame 2 player to never encounter the feckin' doll. Just out in the field. Yes, we are out! Now all we gotta do is, well, I'm gonna quick save it for one, or I'm gonna save state it for one thing. And let's go to the tree! Now, can we get a fight with, like, the brothers Dim? That would be lovely. Just to have a little bit of a memento. Or not. Fuck it. You know, I like the little pinwheel crest puzzle. It's a little bit annoying, I'll admit. It's not the best thing, but it's pretty good. I like having to think ahead slightly. It's like, you know, how many turns? Where's everything gonna have to be? That kind of thing. And now, we can really do it. That's just Fallen Mayu again, I think. Or maybe it's Sleeping Mayu. Mayu? Whatever.
Poor Itsuki. It's our fault.
Poor emulator. It's all its fault for screwing up a sound file. Alright, so the middle one is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's going to be blue. Wait, hold up. What position? Where's it going to be? Everything is going to be 2 positions ahead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's going to be... Hold on. I don't think I'm cheating if I actually draw this out because, you know, puzzles and stuff. If I need to replace the ink cartridge in this fountain pen now, I'm actually going to be fucking pissed off. Fuck it, I'll use a pencil. And my damn cup just landed in the garbage. Today is going so well today. Okay. So now I at least know the pattern. Slightly. So this up here needs to be blue. This just needs to be orange. This needs to be red. And this needs to be green. You piece of shit. So... blue. Orange. Green. Huh. Oh, it's already on green. Why am I turning that for? Red, orange, blue. Orange. Okay. Sorry about that. I'm an idiot. And the pinwheels are a-spinning. Now we can escape through the shrine. Cold air began to flow from behind the shrine. The seal to the underground must be broken now. Well, let's go, Mayu!
Tuki, it's our fault. Mayu,
Let's get up and go! The frickin' Kurosawa shrine up the hill is perfect. Oh man, she's sick. She's drunk, high, sick, or wow. Is her face like paler? No, it's just the lighting. Alright. Oh shit. We've hit the final chapter. Fuck it, we may actually finish this game today. Ah shit. Alright. Well, Mayu's gonna take her time. Oh wait, no, she's running. She be running!
if we reach the shrine up there, we can leave the village.
Yeah, but it's never that easy, is it?
Mew, there!
Well, crap. I ran from them all my life, but the village people finally caught up to me. Pumpkin candle. Pumpkin my ass, it's cinnamon. Cinnamon roll.
Mayu! Mew!
We'll whip out that camera and blast them all. You piece of shit. Oh, fuck. Looks like we're gonna have another Farmer Palooza here. Yeah, we've got blast equipped. Should be able to just kind of blast a bunch of them. Provided we can get like doubles and triples and stuff like that. Pretty sure we can just kind of get like a bunch of damage on a bunch of dudes all at once. Ooh, come on. But they seem to like to separate a bit. Blast them! I missed the combo. Damn it. He might have even been dead. I don't know. Well, of course he's dead. He's been dead since the start of this game. He was dead the moment we saw him. Dead on arrival. Ooh. She's gonna swing! Swingy! Oh, tits! I missed! Now, what's funny is we can actually finish the game here and now. But we're not going to. I'm gonna switch to 0. Someone's getting this pot of gold. Oh, triple shot as well. Man, they gotta be hurting now. To some degree, at least. Can we get a shutter chance? Can we get anything? These guys are standoffish, which, as far as AI goes, is interesting, but when it comes to combat, it's a little bit annoying. Alright, well, let's just run past them. Y'all suck. Ow! Fucking hell, Polearm really knows how to swing his stick around. I don't put fish sticks in my mouth, but I put his stick in my mouth. Aw, that was a shutter chance. You can't take that away from me, game. Can I get a fatal frame? I'd love to get a fatal frame for no other purpose than to recharge the special. That would help a lot. Hurry the fuck up, you bitch. Whoa! Alright, well that was not a shutter chance. That was a bullshit. Oh, come on, man with sickle. You are being a prick. Prickapalooza. Just double shot. I don't care. Damn. I can bear... Man, they're moving so fast I can hardly see them. Any day now, you fucks. That's something, at least. It was even a kill. Alright. Come on, dude. Well, piss on you, then. Ow! Bastard broke my freaking mirror. I didn't know he had a backswing. Well, I feel stupid now. Gotta go get a damn... Gotta go get a frickin' stone mirror now. From where I do not know. Was there one? Wasn't there one? Was there one in the shrine? There might have been one in the shrine. Bugger it. Not too concerned about it. All right, so we gotta head back to the. We're gonna have to go to the Kurosawa house now. I think. Because, you know, it's like the ritual is started, and the ritual happens in the Osaka house. We could actually finish the game here and now by going into the shrine and escaping the village without Mayu. But that is the worst ending. Like that, not just from a story standpoint, but from the fact that the game flat out says game over if you do. It is an ending, but it's also a game over. So, we're not going to do that. But that is a little tidbit for you just in case you do play this game and you really want to speedrun this thing. Although, I wouldn't necessarily say getting the game over ending as a completed speedrun. But whatever. I'll be right back after I get all this stuff sorted.